Hi, in the last video, I gave a rundown of all the OutcomeOS features. However, I didn't mention the integrations, which I think is a hugely powerful feature. So if we go into integrations, we've got API keys. We go to the full documentation here. We've got a comprehensive API that's for both REST and GraphQL. And at the bottom here, we also have an MCP server. Now, an MCP server does really cool things. It can integrate with AI tools such as Claude or Cursor, and you can use anything within OutcomeOS. And I'd like to show it to you now with Claude. So I've written just a quick prompt here. It says use the OutcomeOS MCP to get up to speed on outcomes, projects, and tasks within the company so we can brainstorm new ideas and reach the outcome. So I'm going to run this now. And you can see it's going to start using the MCP to search outcomes, search lists, the task, and it's building a comprehensive view of what's going on. So look, so it's giving me some ideas on what to do. Now, I'm not going to go into a big long discussion now with Claude, but you can imagine you can discuss these ideas. But I'm going to just say uh, the AI demo showcase. This is something I'm working on. Integration partnerships. So let's look at integration partnerships. I'm going to say something like, help me outline a project for integration partnerships. That's what it says. That's interesting. Before looking at the project, it looked to see if there's anything similar. So it's already created a list here and created some tasks. A project is a type of list. You also have ideas and outcome as a type of lists. And so it seems to be creating several tasks. I'm going to let it finish to see what it does. Normally, when I've been testing this, I actually tell Claude, don't create anything until we align on a plan. I forgot to do that here, but I think that it saves us some time. Videos need to be short these days. It's creating a lot of tasks. Heaven knows what it's creating. I can actually open it up and see what it's creating, so I can see uh, the kind of stuff. So it's asking me to use a new tool that it hasn't. Oh, look, it's creating a dependency. Yeah, sure. Always allow. So it's creating dependencies for each of those tasks so they follow a linear pattern. I'm actually going to switch back while this is, oh, it has finished. So it's broken it down into phases. Awesome. Let's go to Outcome OS and go back to the projects. I can see now that integration partnerships has appeared. It's got 9 backlog tasks, and we can see uh, that they've all been created. So, I mean, you can do all this with the AI assistant here, but if you're already in Cursor coding and you're like, you want to quickly create a task, or you've made a plan in Cursor and you think, okay, let's turn this plan into a project and all the tasks within the plan into tasks. And then as you're completing the plan in Cursor, you can be completing the plan in Outcome OS as well, or if you're just ideating, just like we did now with Claude, you don't, everything is done here. So I think that's a very powerful feature of Outcome OS, and I wanted to share it with you guys.